Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Linux Mint 21.2 on VMware Workstation 17.5. Okay, so here this is the updated version of VMware Workstation. So 17.5 is the latest version as of now. So first let me browse the Linux Mint ISO file. 21 Linux Mint 21 ISO file. So it's a flavor of Ubuntu operating system. Okay, it's a flavor of Ubuntu operating system. So click the next button. So guest operating system version I am choosing Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, now click next button. So provide some name to this virtual machine and provide the path where the virtual machine is getting stored. Okay, so I am giving the path where Ubuntu Linux Mint 21 virtual machine is getting stored. Next, I am allocating 40 GB virtual hard disk, so it will be a single virtual disk. Next, I am customizing the hardware, so I am increasing the RAM 8 GB and processor core I am increasing to 4 CPU cores. So that's it. So network will be NAT. Okay, so we need internet connection. That's it. Okay, now let us start the Linux Mint 21 virtual machine and start the installation. Let me go to full screen. So this is the installation screen. English will be by default language. Keyboard also English US. So I am going to install multimedia codecs also. Okay, now installation type, choose the option erase disk and install Linux Mint. First option. Okay, continue. Okay, choose the location. Okay, next provide the login username, computer name and password for the login user. Okay, continue. So installation is started. So installation is completed. I am restarting the Linux Mint 21. Yes, so successfully restarted. So here VMWare Tools is automatically installed. Let me check. Okay, so go to settings, options, guest isolation. You can see that shared clipboard drag and drop is enabled. Automatically it was enabled. Okay, so yes, I can able to copy paste. So shared clipboard is working fine. Shared clipboard is working fine. Let me try from host machine to virtual machine. So which means that VMware Tools is automatically installed. Okay, no need any manual installation of VMware Tools on the Linux Mint 21 as this repository is enabled. Okay, yes. Okay, now let me try drag and drop. So I am going to try drag and drop. So I am going to drag and drop one tar file here. Yes, So I can able to drag and drop the files. So shared clipboard also working, and drag and drop feature also is working fine on VMWare Workstation 17.5. So no need to install any additional tools, so everything is fine. So now I am going to enable the shared folder. So I am going to mount one shared folder from Windows Workstation machine to Linux Mint 21 virtual machine. So go to options, shared folders, so always enabled. So I am selecting one folder path. So this is my folder. So enable this share, finish it. Okay, now start the virtual machine. Okay, open the terminal. So run this command, vmware-hgfs-client. So you can see that shared folder is mounted, but we need to view the content. Okay, so sudo su, provide the root password. So edit the etc fstab file. So /etc fstab file I am editing as a root user. Okay, then copy paste this line. So vmhgfs-fuse space /mnt/hgfs space fuse defaults allow underscore other. Okay, so make sure that you added this line without any issues, okay, without any errors. Next I am mounting the hgfs directory. So mount -a command will mount all the directories. Okay, so now once again what I am doing, open another terminal as a login as a Java forum user. Yes, I can able to view the content. Okay, I can able to view the content. Let me try to play one MP4 file. Yes, I can able to play the MP4 file also, which means that multimedia is also working fine for me. Yes, good. So Linux Mint 21 installation on VMWare Workstation 17.5 with the VMWare Tools is successful.